can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw
we're here. We're gonna go up there. He said that you go over a weak bridge, but we're all right as long as we're. He reckons we're about 3.5 tons. So anything under 5 is fine. There's a cattle grid, yeah, and then we follow the road round, watching out for the potholes, and then we can park anywhere inside this select area. Gates are open all day. Come and go as you please. They own 10 campsites in the New Forest. You know, it's all nice. Let's go.
Another vice, grab my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down. Thinking back to all I loved and lost. My heart is full and aching strong. So I'll throw
Okay, StarLink. We did look for a pole to put at the back of the van, but as some of you may have seen on a previous video, we decided to make one, or I should say, my dad decided to make one for us. So what he's done is, this is a wooden pole that we've got a connector just there so we can divide it in half, and then we've put some brackets on the wagon here, 3 of them, just like so, where we can run the cable up. If you have a look up there, you'll see the StarLink. And then all I do is I disconnect them. We drew a hole through the wagon as well and put a little cap on it, or a little cover, so that the cable can go in there, so it's all tucked away nice and tidy. We were only here for last night, so we were a bit of a quick one to get the StarLink up and working. But tonight when we get to Brighton, I will make sure it's all nice and tidied away so it doesn't flap away in the wind while we're sleeping. Anyway, time for it to come down.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, bad mood, sort of witty and jaded, but let's not talk about you. Your coyote song on a rerun. Are you hound dog tired singing all night long?
appreciate this when I look at it back.
Morning, Louise.
Good morning.
This is what I wake up to every morning.
You're a lucky, lucky boy.
Like winning the lottery.
We're staying in Brighton Caravan and Motorhome Club site this week. So we're staying for 4 nights. Been here a couple of nights now. It's been absolutely gorgeous weather. It's February half term, so we've been really, really lucky. The site itself is beautiful. It's about 2 miles out of Brighton city centre. Megan and I walked down to Brighton yesterday and it took us about 45-50 minutes walk, but there's also a bus, so if you're not up to the walk, you don't fancy it, because it did take us hours, if you don't fancy it, there's plenty of buses that you can pick up from just outside the site. It's a lovely site. It's got children's play area, it's got a couple of shower blocks, laundry room, there's a really nice little pizza place down at the entrance that does coffees during the day, and then he does pizzas a couple of nights a week as well, like proper wood-fired ones. So it's a really lovely site. What's in your garage, love?
StarLink, electric cable, hose for the drinking water, and the wrap around the front, and then we've got the hoover and the seats. We've got a paddleboard in there. We haven't used that yet. It's been a bit too cold. And then in here we've got shoes, toolbox. These are the vacuum bags ready to put the duvets and stuff away again. So we pump them so it gets rid of all the moisture. So they're handy. And then like blue loo and things like that. But today is exit day and it's running up close to getting out time, and we need to drain before we go because we've got a full tank. So we're going to move.
Is the ramp not going in the boot?
Yeah, but the back door.
Oh, the back door's still open. Do you want to give me the keys then and I'll put the ramp away if you roll off it? Or roll back? So if she starts, is she going to start? Yes, she is.